beauty of nature is there for our healing. It is really appealing, gives us a good feeling. The air we breathe out, plants use it for food and give back our life force in the form of O2. Take time, view the beauty of nature. Pay attention to the feeling. It's there for healing. How beautiful the trees, the mountains, the seas. How cool in the breeze, the heat, it does ease. I could sit for hours admiring the flowers. How vibrant their colors, their beauty empowers. Take time to view the beauty of nature. Pay attention to the feeling. It's there for healing. A gift from our maker, we must protect it for later, for future generations. In all habitations, they'll need it to survive, to be healthy and alive. Awareness of nature will be key in consciously caring. I'm sure you can see. For your healing.